Dr. von Kuster is an anatomical pathologist who works at the Victoria Hospital. I'm a dermatologist, and dermatologists practice very closely with our pathology counterparts. And he saw a need in our community here in Manitoba for a pathologist who was additionally trained in dermatopathology. There was a void of that information for the pathologist, so he took self-initiated steps to provide us that service. So we work very closely together, looking at the skin in the clinic and then also looking under the microscope for how the clinical correlation and the pathology correlation lead to accurate diagnosis and therefore the best care we can provide for patients.
As a physician, I'm a little different than other physicians in the sense that I sit at a desk with a microscope and I essentially make tissue diagnoses, which a good number of those would be related to cancer, but there would also be a number of non-neoplastic entities or inflammatory conditions which also require a tissue diagnosis.
So I think a lot of doctors working in the background, their efforts are not recognized, they're not out there in the spotlight, and Dr. von Kuster is one of those people that goes above and beyond consistently to provide exceptional support to his colleagues and also to the patients. So Dr. von Kuster is very deserving of recognition for all the hard work and contributions that he makes to our field and to his field of pathology. So I thought it'd be really fun to bring him in to the spotlight and get him recognized for what he does.
Well, I have to admit, I'm really surprised. It's been a lot of hard work over the years. It just really feels very special to be, considered in this capacity by your colleagues. And I think it's also special that it's not just some pathology colleagues trying to make pathology look better, but from my clinical colleagues who I really work for. So I think it really means all that much more that it came from my clinicians.
It's about going above and beyond what we see our clinical role to be when we recognize a need for patients that could be getting better care than they are and taking self-initiated steps to make that happen. Dr. von Kuster really gets excited about his job and the passion for his work really shows through. He's caring, he's compassionate, he always gives 110%. We look up to him and we're so happy that he was chosen for this award this year. It couldn't be more deserved.